beloved principal ma'am, and my the colleagues and dear students. Well, you have been celebrating this World's Breastfeeding Week, and I'm very sure by now you would have been bombarded with the knowledge, the importance of breastfeeding, right? So what is more important? I am a physician. From the physician point of view, why is breastfeeding important? So that is few little words I want you to know, maybe a little more knowledge than what you already know. One very important thing is, we are going to talk from both the sides. One is from the perspective of a mother, the other thing is perspective of a child. Maybe they would have told you, initially it is the antibody, you need to feed the colostrum, that is very, very important. That will have the antibodies which will protect the child for about 6 months, and all those things are fine. And the baby which is only exclusively breastfeeding is what is required, and those exclusively breastfed babies will not have diseases like they will not have acute GE, they will not have respiratory infections, and so many things. See, these are the ones which are important for the mortality and morbidity under the age of 5, right? So these things, morbidity and mortality, would be brought down. You don't need anything extra. God has made the mother's milk only for the child. It is not the cow's milk, it is not the buffalo milk. Whatever you do, you add water, you add sugar, whatever you do, it will not be equivalent to mother's milk, right? So, well, that is baby. But do you know, throughout the life, health means what? It is not only the physical, it is a mental also. It has been shown that the babies who have been breastfed, their lips, they suck through from the breast, right? So babies who have been breastfed, it has been shown that the rate of their smoking is less. So when you talk to 100 smokers and ask them, were you breastfed, were you breastfed? So most of them will say no. So that is one important thing. So when they grow up also, the level of smoking, the smokers number will be very less. And second important thing, it has been said there is a bonding between the mother and the child. So that emotional bonding will give rise to bonding with the society. And it has been shown the criminals, the criminal rate is less in the people who have been breastfed. Probably this is related to mental health also. So it's not only with the mother, they develop relationship with the family and everything. So they will be, in harmony with the society. So smoking, then second is being healthy in the society, being mentally healthy in the society is what is important. And from the mother side, you all know, one is the weight of the mother, and second is mother developing, other diseases. See, for example, I don't know if you have seen the people who have not breastfed babies, they might go in for depression. So postpartum depression, I've seen so many people, maybe for some reason they will not be able to feed. Either they will not have enough milk, something like that. So they might go in for depression. So that in order to, and then cancers. So people who have breastfed, that is the first history when we ask. People whom we see, people when they come to us with breast cancer, we ask them how many children you have, at what age did you have, and did you breastfeed the baby. So important things we do are, so cancers are less, and the mother will be mentally healthy, and the bonding between the mother and the child. See, later on you see so many people abandoning their parents. Probably this breastfeeding will not make them abandon the parents. So that is very, very important. And you as nurses, you are, most of the times you are with the patients than us. Right? We just come, we take the history, examine, we tell you these are the things to be followed. So because you are the ones who are going to be with the patients, you are the ones who are going to run the antenatal clinic, where you will have to tell the mother. So one thing, she has to be ready for the pregnancy, and once pregnancy comes, you need to teach her you need to prepare her breast. Many a times the nipple would be stuck back. So for that, there are some manures, there are exercises where you can help. The mother has to get ready for breastfeeding even before she delivers the baby. All right, so it is your duty. And then again, I think you have already made the techniques of breastfeeding. In what position should you hold? Because the baby is so very tender. If she doesn't put the baby in a proper position, there are chances that the baby might aspirate. The baby can develop aspiration pneumonia, and to such an extent it could be that it could cause mortality. So please learn the techniques properly, and then I think people know the importance of breastfeeding now. So it becomes your prime duty to make them learn knowledge about the breastfeeding, and you will have to help them. So there's cesarean section. See, she probably cannot sit and feed the baby. So there are techniques. How do we do that? So it's not very good to express the milk, keep somewhere, keep it in the fridge, later on give it to the baby. As far as possible, as long as possible, mother has to breastfeed her baby. Now in all the corporate hospitals, in all the hospitals, in all very big centers and all, they can get the baby there and the mother can go feed. And one more important thing which you need to tell the mothers is their nutrition. They need to have adequate nutrition. Their iron needs to be good. Their calcium has to be good. So whatever, definitely you know, so many things will be transferred. The nutrition will be transferred from mother to the child. So, and there are certain drugs which should not be taken, because that will be secreted through the milk. So you will have to know each and every detail and convey it to the mother. So this one long year, you are conducting this breast week, awareness week, this World Breastfeeding Week. I want you to know everything in detail so that you convey the same thing to the society. I wish you all the very best and know the subject thoroughly so that you can help the society. Thank you so much.